What if I told you my client just pulled $74,000 in home equity without refinancing and without touching their first mortgage rate? Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. And here's how we did it. Here's the play. Instead of refinancing and losing a great low rate, we used a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. It tapped into the value that they've already built, left their current mortgage untouched, gave them access to $74,000 in liquid funds that they can use for renovations, debt payoff, or even a down payment on an investment property. Why is this better than a refi? Rates are higher today than when most people bought, so a full refinance could actually cost them more in the long run. A HELOC lets you borrow only what you need when you need it. The best part, we close fast, with no upfront fees, and minimal paperwork. If you're sitting on equity and want access to cash without resetting your loan, drop equity in the comments or DM me. I'll run the numbers and show you exactly how much money you can unlock. No refinance required. Smart equity equals financial freedom. Let's make your home work harder for you. Get us a like if you're sitting on equity and don't know this was an option. Common equity if you want a personalized breakdown. Share this with a homeowner friend who might be leaving money on the table.